Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A pleasant day to each and everyone. I am Sharhanie BARAOCOR and we will be discussing the PINACEAE. So, what is PINACEAE? The PINACEAE family or pine family is a group of coniferous trees widely found in temperate and cold regions. These trees are easily identified by their needle-like leaves and cones and are essential to both nature and human life. So let's proceed to the taxonomic classification. Taxonomic classification, domain Eukarya. This domain includes organisms with eukaryotic cells that have a nucleus. Kingdom Plantae, the kingdom of all plants which are multicellular and primarily photosynthetic. Division or phylum Pinophyta, coniferous trees that produce seeds in cones and have needle-like leaves. Class Pinopsida, gymnosperms with cone-bearing trees and needle-like leaves. Order Pinales, coniferous trees including pines, spruces, firs, and cedars. Family Pinaceae, which we'll be discussing today. The family of conifer trees like pines, firs, spruces, and cedars. Genus. The Pinaceae family includes several types of trees such as pinus or pines, abies or firs, cedrus or cedars, Pisceae or spruces, and larix or larches. These genera include different species that vary in appearance and habitat. Species. Some well-known species from this genera are Pinus sylvestris or Scots pine, a common type of pine, and Abies alba or silver fir, a type of fir tree found in Europe. These species are important for their wood, resin, and ecological rules. So let's proceed to the nomenclature. The name Pinaceae is derived from the type genus na tinatawag natin na Pinus. The suffix "aceae" is a standard ending for a plant family names under International Code of Nomenclature for algae, fungi, and plants. So let's proceed na naman sa structure and form of the Pinaceae family, commonly known as the pine family. This group of trees plays a vital role in many ecosystems, particularly in temperate and boreal regions. So let's begin. Growth, form, habit. The Pinaceae family includes mostly trees and a few large shrubs. These trees are typically evergreen, meaning they keep their leaves year-round. However, some species like larix or larches are deciduous, meaning nalulus nila yung mga leaves nila in falling or dry seasons. Members of this family are usually tall, with straight trunks and strong lateral branches, and they are dominant in temperate and boreal forests. Leaves. The leaves of the Pinaceae family are one of their most distinctive features. They are needle-like, simple, and narrow in shape. These needles are arranged either spirally along the stem or in clusters called fascicles, especially in pines. Their waxy coating helps reduce water loss, making these trees well adapted to harsh climate. Most members of Pinaceae have persistent leaves that last for several years. Wood. The wood of Pinaceae trees is classified as softwood. Why? Because it is lightweight, straight-grained, and primarily composed of tracheids. Alam naman natin na which are water-conducting cells. Unlike hardwood trees, PINACEAE do not have vessels. The wood also contains resin ducts that produce sticky resins to protect against insects and diseases. Because of its qualities, PINACEAE wood is widely used for construction, paper production, and furniture. Roots. The root system of PINACEAE trees is well developed, with a deep taproot that provides stability. Additionally, lateral roots spread widely to anchor the tree and absorb nutrients. Many members of the PINACEAE family form mycorrhizal associations with fungi. These symbiotic relationships helps the roots absorb water and essential nutrients more effectively. So let's proceed to the appearance. In terms of appearance, trees in the PINACEAE family typically have a conical or pyramidal shape, especially when they are young. The branches often grow in horizontal layers or whorls, giving a tree a symmetrical look. The bark can vary significantly from smooth and thin to thick and scaly, depending on the species and the age of the trees. So, let's proceed to the reproduction. The pine life cycle exhibits alternation of generations. It begins with the mature sporophyte, which is the pine tree, which produces both male pollen and female ovulate cones. Meiosis in the pollen cones, microsporangia, produces microspores, then magde-develop siya into pollen grains, which is the male gametophytes. Then, yung meiosis naman in the ovulate cones, which is the megasporangium, is magproduce siya ng megaspore, then magde-develop siya into female gametophyte, which is the megagametophyte. Then, yung wind-dispersed pollen grains reach the ovulate cone, and a pollen tube grows towards the archegonia within the megagametophyte. And then, yung fertilization is mag-occur na siya when sperm nuclei fuse with egg nuclei. The resulting zygote develops into an embryo within a seed which is dispersed by wind. Germination of the seed produces a new sporophyte, completing the cycle. So let's proceed to the human and ecological relevance. Human and ecological relevance. Number 1, ecological role. PINACEAE trees play an important role in the environment. They provide shelter and food for wildlife, help prevent soil erosion, and absorb carbon dioxide, which helps fight the climate change. Number 2, human uses. Humans uses PINACEAE trees for many things such as timber for building houses, furniture, and paper. The resin from these trees is also used in products like adhesive and paints. Number 3, medicinal uses. Some species in the PINACEAE family have been used in traditional medicines, like using pine needles for making tea that can help with coughs and colds, or using tree bark to make remedies for skin infections. So number 4, cultural importance. PINACEAE trees are also important in many cultures. They are used in rituals, holidays, and celebrations like the Christmas tree, which is often a type of fir or pine tree. So, let's proceed to other necessary informations or important informations. So, number 1, Adaptations. PINACEAE trees are very good at surviving in those conditions. They can handle drought and grow in poor soil, which helps them take over areas where other plants can't grow. Their reason protects them from animals and help heals wounds in their bark. Number 2, diversity. These trees are found all over the world, especially in areas with mild or cooler weather. And number 3, conservation status. Some types of PINACEAE trees are in danger because of deforestation, pests, and climate change. To protect them, people are saving seeds, protecting their habitats, and planting new trees. And that's all. Thank you for watching.